Hi guys, today we're at Universal Studios and here is Minion Mayhem. We're at Minion Land right now.
We're inside Gru's house.
That's scary. The lion
The family tree. Oh my God. Go, Gwen.